Okay, hi everyone, and welcome to Module 3. I'll go ahead and get us started over here. Okay, so this is what your Module 3 should look like. You'll notice that this is the week that we begin our Introduction to Public Speaking content. So if you recall in one of the previous videos, I mentioned that we'll be starting off the semester discussing foundations of communication, principles of communication, and we are now going to apply those strategies and knowledge to the public speaking context. You'll also notice that the organization will look a little different in the next few weeks than it has in the previous weeks, but don't let that confuse you. You're still required to do the same amount of things, readings, videos, likewise. So this is what it'll look like now. It's just organized a little differently. So instead of one long reading, it's now just cut up into smaller chunks for you. So just go through these just like you normally would. You do have 3 different parts for this module. And then once you have read and understood all information and content within these links, make sure you go ahead and take the content quiz in the module, which is all the way on the bottom here, quiz 3. We'll also begin developing our outlines this week. So we begin with the informative outline, and then we'll do the informative speech next week, and then we'll have the persuasive outline, and then we'll have our live persuasive speech. Okay, but let's not get ahead of ourselves yet. So you will be beginning your informative outlines this week. I have provided some sample topics for you here. You can also go ahead and Google some topics that you could potentially speak upon. I do recommend, though, that you choose a topic that is something that you're interested in and are credible to speak upon. This will be important because if you're not knowledgeable in the area or it doesn't interest you, it's not something that you're passionate about, it's going to be very difficult to do this assignment, boring, and you probably won't get a lot out of it. So think about something that you're really interested in, and maybe it's something that you're studying in school right now, or a hobby that you have, or some sort of work that you may do outside of school. Just kind of brainstorm before just choosing a topic. I know we don't have much time though, so make sure that you're starting these early. So you'll go ahead, I'm not going to do it now, but you can just click on this document right here, download the document, and you'll see that it's a template for you, and all you are going to do is fill in your own information, and the whole template, the structure of the outline, is going to remain the same. Okay, so follow the instructions listed below that I have here, and they specifically detail the requirements for you. So post your outline to your designated group. So if you come down here, you'll notice that there is a workshop. So you'll just post, we're all going to post our outline within the same workshop for this time. And then you will be required to comment or provide feedback to your group members. So I will put you into groups, and so you will know who your group members are. However, sometimes not everybody posts their outlines by by Thursday night, which is when they were due. So if you notice that 2 of your group members have not posted by Thursday at 11:59, or I actually extended it a little bit Friday morning just to kind of provide some leeway. But if you notice that 2 of your group members haven't posted by Friday morning, you are able to provide feedback. Use this as your guide to other peers as well, just so that you, if you're posting, you don't lose points because your group member hasn't posted. Okay, but let's try to have everybody post, their initial outline by Thursdays at 11:59, and then your responses Sunday at 11:59 like we've been doing. Yeah, so make sure that you remember all of the information that we've learned in the previous modules when you are creating these outlines. It is really important to develop this outline, and if you look right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these are great tips for you. It'll make developing this outline much easier for you, so make sure that you're following those. And yeah, please don't hesitate to email me with any questions or concerns, and we'll talk soon. Have a great week.